My name is Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757 to do a review on a 56 LED strobe light that I have for my work truck. It's a review. The reason why I like this light, it has 4 magnets on it, doesn't move. I've been driving 70, 80 miles an hour sometimes, which I know is against the law, woo-woo-woo, but it's extremely strong, it's extremely bright, and I'm going to turn it on for you guys, and I want you to see how bright it is. It has different modes. You come right here and you press this button right here and that turns it on and off, but this right here has different modes. See? Different modes. I think it's extremely bright. I like it. It's good for safety. I work on cars and I want to make sure people can see my presence. And I'm just doing different modes so you can see. Clear as day. It's very bright. And I'm just hitting the button right here, on and off. And this button right here, you can see the different modes. I'm just clicking on it. And I think this was a very good buy. I paid $70 and I'm going to put it on Amazon, and the link for anybody who has a work truck and doesn't want to spend an arm and leg. And how I did it is I have a cord coming down here. I got it going through here to the back seat, and it wraps all the way around right here to this right here. And then when you want to turn it off, you can just hit it just like that. I really think this light is really nice. During the day is extremely bright, and at night is extremely bright also. I think this was a very good purchase for anybody who's in construction, mobile mechanic, or anybody who wants to get attention. I had the one that was half that size, and the rain itself kind of destroyed it. And this one right here has been through a lot and it's still going like there's no tomorrow. So this is the Miguel for the Mobile Mechanic 757. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. And I want to make sure that I put the link on my description page so you know where to buy this. It's around $60, $70. Catch them on sale, but it fits most of my truck. And that's one of the reasons why I wanted to make sure that I got a nice big one so it can be seen from all directions. I did buy the little dinky one, and it was just a waste of time and waste of money. And just $30, $40 more, you can get one that is, you can see the size of my truck and how big that is. It's very big, very bright, and it has about 15 to 20 different patterns you can do. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.